My name is Phil Clukies. I'm head of sales at CadActive Technologies. We're an engineering solution provider specializing in the CAD realm. We have a few different arms to our business. We resell software for a larger CAD company. We write custom apps and applications for that software, which we then sell on our own accord. We customize CAD environments to our customers' liking. And then we have a services arm to our business where we provide consulting and training and services work for our customers. So we are Salesforce users through and through. We've built out our Salesforce environment as a smaller company in a very thorough and structurally sound way. So as we came into this project, the idea was to continue that philosophy and to consolidate our invoicing into Salesforce so that Salesforce becomes the record of authority for financial processes as well as sales processes. So we wanted to be able to generate invoices in Salesforce, generate invoice documents, quote documents, and integrate with our accountants in that same way. We had scattered systems where we were sending our invoices out of QuickBooks, but all of our sales processes were done in Salesforce. So we had to manually consolidate all of that information from Salesforce, pass it over into QuickBooks, where we then generated invoices and collected payments and had our general ledger. So having two systems was really the biggest pain for us. So CadActive sells primarily subscription-based products, and those operate on a yearly invoice schedule where sometimes we have a multi-year agreement, sometimes we have a one-year agreement. We also have service products where the customer uses a certain amount of hours and we invoice or bill them as we use those hours. Standav helped to implement the billing module for Salesforce, which consolidated our sales process into this invoicing process, whether it be for multi-year invoices, single-year invoices, or for usage-based service hour products. Everything is now held in one central source of truth within Salesforce. Standav helped us to implement the CPQ Billing module into our Salesforce process. So first and foremost, we tied the bridge between CPQ quotes and the CPQ Billing module, allowing us to create invoices from the orders generated at the quote level. We also went through and created a new invoice template, which we can now share with customers and with our finance team. We learned how to use the invoice scheduler, which goes through and picks up all the invoices that need to be created in a given time period. And we also integrated usage-based products and usages, which allows us to track service hours put into a specific project and invoice them appropriately as the project progresses. Standav approached this product in a very methodical way, where we were always aware of where we stood in regards to progress of the project. They helped us not only building the system, but walking us through the functionality in each feature to make sure that we understood how it worked, and upon handoff, we could use it immediately. Standav started off with a data gathering phase where we connected on our current processes, and they then shaped the project around our processes as they were and our processes as they wanted them to be. Standav was always very good about communicating. We had daily tag ups. Uh, they were always very quick to respond, even though some of the team is across the world from us. We had a very open line of communication. They were always patient with me as I was learning the process and how the billing module worked, because it is complex and it does take a little bit to get the hang of. So I really appreciated their patience and their engagement with us as we learned the module. Standup was very systematic in their quick start framework, right? The integration went very smoothly and the implementation continued to move forward. Regardless of any hurdles that came across, Standup was very patient and quick to solve those issues and keep the project moving forward and on schedule. And we did hit every milestone that we set out to accomplish in a timely manner. I definitely consider Standav experts in the realm of Salesforce. They have a great understanding of the Salesforce ecosystem at a very fundamental level. So they're definitely, I would consider them an authority in the industry, and I would definitely recommend them to anyone.